Now let me acknowledge the presence of everyone. From back members, we have our provisional members, Engineer Robin Pabustan, Chief Line Design Section, Ma'am Belinda A. Platt, Chief Human Resources and Administrative Section, our regular member, Engineer Julio Villanis, Chief Quality Assurance Section, our Vice Chairman, Engineer Randy Philipsay, Chief Construction Section, and yours truly, Engineer Debbie Catanes, your back chairperson. And to the back secretariat headed by Engineer Erwin Salvador, and to the technical working group headed by Architect Dennis Pulanan. To our participants and leaders representative, we have Creatures Construction Trading, represented by Ruby Carl Lumabas, and from RD Builders Corporation, represented by Edmi Domingo. Good morning. We have also invited the representative from Commission and Audit to witness the conduct of our procurement activity. And again, to give you an overview of the activity, we will be opening the bids for two FY 2024 GAA projects. These projects were advertised and posted on the DPWH website, PGEPS, and posted on the bulletin board of DPWH Tarlac 2nd. And this proceeding is guided by the Rules and Procedure of Republic Act 9184, otherwise known as the Government Procurement Reform Act, and other relevant issuance and the Government Procurement Policy Board and the DPWH. Thus, the bidding will be conducted through opening competitive bidding. In opening of the technical and financial envelopes, non-discretionary pass and pay criterion as specified in 2024 revised implementing rules and regulation of RA 9184 shall be strictly followed. Further, notwithstanding the result of the electronic eligibility, a prospective bidder or bidders may be rated non-compliant due to the absence of required documents during the preliminary evaluation of bids based on the checklist provided for both technical and financial requirements. Now, since the evaluation of bidders' eligibility requirements is processed electronically through Civil Works application, for bidders who will be found eligible in this e-process, the BAC will check and manually evaluate their eligibility documents and may consider them eligible if the required or updated documents were included in their technical component. The BAC will then request to the procurement service the updating of bidders' documents in the Civil Works registry and reprocess the eligibility check in the Civil Works application. Let it be noted and BAC Secretariat put it on the record that in case of discrepancies between the findings of the BAC and result of the e-process, the latter shall prevail. And at this point, let me go to the reading of the projects to be bid on today. For project 24CK0017, Network Development Program of Carriageway Improvement, Secondary Roads, Concepcion Tapas Road, Concepcion Tarlac. The approved budget for the contract is 29,399,270 pesos and 7 centavos. Second, for contract ID 24CK0138, rehabilitation, repair permanent bridge, Nielsen Bridge, grouted riprap, abutment with mattresses along Paruha River, Barangay Lourdes, Bangban, Tarlac. And the approved budget for the contract is 1,113,568 and 30 centavos. And we have here the result of the electronic eligibility for projects. Please. 24 CK 011017. Network Development Program for Character Improvement, Secondary Roads, Conception Tapas Road, Conception Tarlac. And the loan bidder is found eligible. And for 24 CK 0138, rehabilitation, repair permanent bridge, Nielsen Bridge, crowded river abutment with mattresses along Parua River, Barangay Road, West Bamban, Tarlac. Futures construction and trading were is found eligible. Let us now go to the technical component for the project 24CK 017. And the loan bidder submitted bid security declaration as their form of bid security, and this is accepted. Presence and absence of the required documents for technical envelope, the loan bidder is found complying. Technical working group, you may now open the financial envelope of the loan bidder for that particular project. And for technical component for the project 24CK0138, and the loan bidder submitted bid security declaration as their form of bid security, and this is accepted. Presence and absence of the required documents for technical envelope, the loan bidder is found complying. And technical working group, you may now open the financial envelope of the loan bidder for that particular project. 017. Presence and absence of the required documents for financial envelope. The loan bidder is found complying. And submitted amount of bid is 28,805,865 pesos and 37 centavos. The bid C is below the ABC. And for 24 CK0138, presence and absence of the required documents for financial envelope, and the loan bidder is found complying. Submitted the bid, total amount of bid is 1,101,919 pesos and 11 centavos. And Teachers Construction and Trading, the bid C is below the ABC. And that's the end of opening of our bids. And each project, starting from the lowest calculated bid, shall undergo post-qualification to determine its responsiveness to the requirements and conditions as specified in the bidding documents. Any clarifications? Announcement? Thank you. If there is no question, and I would like to thank all the wonderful people who are present today in taking time out of your busy personal and professional schedules. Sir, Ma'am, I declare this meeting adjourned. Stay safe and God bless.